Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to review this particular product, hook and loop straps. So this particular thing is used for like wrapping up the cables, and I think I got it 7 pieces of this, and each piece is 100 centimeter long. So that's how it looks. So the idea behind this is that most of the cable organizer, if you have seen, it's like in a particular size product. I might have one, so we didn't get any with this, so that's a totally different one. So most of the things you will find on the net is like this. So it has a particular length to it. The problem with this is it's very good if you are talking about the HDMI cables and USB cables, which has very good length, and there is a thickness attached to those cables, so they are very thick. So when we try to fold it, it requires lots of space, and then this size is quite comfortable with them. But what about the type C cables and charging cables, which is very short length, maybe this much length, we are talking about 30 centimeter or 1 feet. I think that's most both the same, but 2 feet cables, which is very slim in size, because their wires are very slim and they don't require much space while folding it. So these are too much for them, and I think it costs you around I think 5 per piece or 10 per piece if you buy it in bulk, maybe 100 pieces or so. So instead of buying this, you can buy this one. So 700 centimeter for I think around 400 rupees I have bought them. And the main idea with this is it has that kind of magnetic thing or attachment in both the sides. So you have like magnetic mechanism here, and in there you have like connecting mechanism here. So most of the cable doesn't have in all the in all the way, like if you talk about this, this doesn't have a magnetic thing in whole cable, right? There is a one part to it and then another part here. So this part is totally like if you want to cut it, you can't be used with another thing, so it needs to be used like this only. But with this you can just cut it down from here, and this particular section can be used like that very easily. So as you can see, I can roll it like that as well. So you can say if you have very small cables, like maybe here, and you need to just fold it in 2 partitions only, even then you can use it like that. So if you have that kind of use cases, I think that's the best product you can have. I will show you in a close-up like how you can use it. Let's just go to the close-up section. So that is the cable which we are talking about. So as you can see, we can use even this part as well. So what I was talking, sorry about my English, I'm not able to explain it nicely. So what I was saying that this locking mechanism which this strap is having on this section only, not in the whole one. So if you try to cut it in 2 halves, so only this part can be used because it has that locking mechanism here only. But if you try to cut it here, you won't be able to lock it like that. So due to which if you have smaller cables, you need to use the whole thing, which makes no sense, and it will require lots of space too. But with this you can use it easily because it has a locking mechanism here. So even it can be used with this small length as well. So I have used this like that. So the idea behind this, how you can use it, you can just place this and try to bind like that. If you think it's good enough, so what I was saying is you can just bind it and attach it like that. If you think it's good enough, you can just cut it from here. So like I did with this. So now you can see it's very small, and when I try to like lock it like that, then you can use it like that. But I have used like I think more than 5 centimeter here, so you can maybe use 3 centimeter, and by that you can save more length from this. So I think that's one of the best value for money straps available in the market. And I have bought this for I think around 400, and with 7 pieces, and each piece have 7 like 100 centimeter, and I'm actually happy with the product. So guys, after looking at the close-up, you get the idea how cool this particular product is, and it really helps me to organize this stuff. So if you haven't seen my other video, which is for organizing thing, so if you have a setup like this, it is very useful to use this kind of organizer, because it will make very like it gets very irritating when you try to place your cables without this kind of straps. So with this, I try to lock it first and then try to place it, then it will be a very less irritating while placing this inside. So if you have any comment and question regarding this particular product, please comment below. I will try to answer them as soon as possible, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.